Alright, I'm gonna go get a, I don't know, a biscuit or something. We'll see. See you in a minute. We are not in Kansas anymore, people. It took me, I just went to McDonald's. I needed Wi-Fi, I needed to check accounts and stuff like that. I got me a sausage egg McMuffin. And yeah, it took like 15 minutes to order that thing. 15 minutes. Them girls in there did not speak an ounce of English. And that's not their fault. I mean, I'm in French-speaking country. I realize that, but that's what I'm saying. I am not in Kansas anymore. Yeah. Anyhow, got me a biscuit, well, a muffin. I didn't see a biscuit in that whole place. I'm not in biscuit country either. I'm in muffin country. Egg McMuffin. So, muffins and croissants. But Canadian McDonald's are so nice. They have like fresh croissants and pastries and sweet, you know, like chocolate chip muffins and blueberry muffins, and yeah. The Canadian French are all about their bread and pastries. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, waiting on a stoplight here. Still couldn't get to my accounts and stuff. For some reason, it won't let me access from Canada. That's a little worrying. I have, not to worry, I have plenty of cash with me, just in case, but I don't want to switch it over if I don't have to. Okay, this light may be a little while. See y'all when I'm going down the road a little bit. Going to listen to a podcast on my way to Quebec City. Oh, well, there's a light. Never mind. Look there. I just did a little more outro. It just does it. Can you see that? The dirt going across the road from the wind? Crap. It smells like poop. It's probably poop dirt. Oh no! Not in Kansas anymore. No English. Just French. No more English translations. In Niagara and Toronto, everybody spoke English. In Ottawa, most people both spoke English. In Montreal, some people spoke English. And now I'm between Montreal and Quebec, and nobody speaks English. Alright, Canada, we in it. Here we go. Ooh, Lord, that wind. Well, we're still an hour out. People drive fast, y'all. The slow lane is 75 miles an hour in the slow lane, which is awesome. You get there quick, but I'm afraid I might get to my hotel before they even let me go into the room, you know, like that early. So, all right, here we go. Let's catch that red motorcycle. Deal. Okay, back to heading to Quebec and back to listen to my podcast. See y'all in a minute. Okay, I'm really not sure where I am. Somewhere between Montreal and Quebec. In fact, I am 56 kilometers from my destination on the other side of Quebec. There's some sort of church over there. I had to get gas, had to step off the motorcycle for a moment and get my butt right. That sounds bad. I just had to stand up for a moment. I've been sitting down a long time. So I got the gas. The card worked this time. That's cool. This is a busy stop, y'all. Super busy. I'm not gonna say, I mean, there's gas stations every once in a while. They're not that far between. But I tell you what, that headwind that you're fighting the whole time, it eats up some gas now. Really eats up some gas. I'm taking so much longer to do this trip than I thought I would. It seems like it keeps saying 40 minutes no matter how fast I go, how far I go. Well, let's see if they got some Wi-Fi here. If not, there's no reason to stick around. So, see that wind? See what I'm talking about? Dear Lord. Alright, I'm gonna go grab something to drink and some ibuprofens. Alright, see you in a minute. Service al volant, which means self-service, Petro Canada, $1.06. Took the card this time, everything's working out well. Come to Harley Davidson's. A lot of motorcycle riders out this way. A lot of campers, motorcycle riders. Not that means the same thing in any means at all. Okay, so 41 minutes to my hotel, and then I have to figure out how to get to Old Town, Quebec. It's a really good day. I mean, apart from the wind, it's a perfect day. It's not too hot. It's not raining. This isn't that long of a ride, though. I do need some ibuprofens. I do. Reset the miles here. Okay, let's try to get out of this parking lot without dying. Man, without this mirror here, it just feels so not good. My field of view has diminished quite a bit. See what I mean about not dying? Our car's going every which way. There's a McDonald's on the back of this thing. Super busy. What's that time? It's lunchtime. I had a late breakfast. You know, I was in that McDonald's earlier at 11 o'clock in the morning, and they're still serving breakfast. What is going on? Where am I? I'm in Canada. The curbs, man. That's not like a curb I drive over. That's just the entrance into the things. What's up with that? Back into the frenzy that is Autoroute 20. Stopping to start another podcast, and there's a train. I don't know if it's coming at me. There's a train. It might be going away from me. I have to go catch it. Let's see here. Okay, now to remerge with lightning speed French Canadians. Successfully re-emerged. That train was just on. Is he like on a lunch break? Do trains take lunch breaks in Canada? They're empty. It's a big train. Stop texting, that sign says. Stop it right now. Okay, 25 minutes until I reach my destination. Blah blah. It's looking pretty Quebecish up front. Looking pretty Quebecish. I see bridges, pretty bridges. Look at those mountains in the distance. That looks fun. 73 Nord. South, I have figured it out. Sud. South. North. Oh crap. Oh, we get to go across this pretty bridge, looks like. Maybe Chaldere. So beautiful. I didn't realize Quebec was so mountainous. This is so cool. It just went from like flat nothing to... Why wouldn't they build the city in the flat nothing? Why do they build it in the mountains? That's crazy. I mean, practicalness, right? I don't know. Protection, I guess, back in the day. That bridge over there looks like a lot stronger than this bridge. I'll tell you that right now. I think that's a train bridge, though. It's awesome. So awesome. Holy crap! Woo! Did you see the size of those spaces in those grooves? Oh, my front tire was about to fall through. Oh my god. I know there's gotta be another one at the other end of the bridge. Holy crap. There it is. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. Don't follow the big white truck. See what I mean? Nothing is in English anymore. But I got it. Don't worry, I got it. Uh-oh. Dark skies. I don't have far to go. 25 kilometers. It's quite a few swimming pools, I know, but again, in case you didn't realize, that's the only way I can equate meters and kilometers is I know the Olympic swimming pool is 50 meters because I've just been watching the Olympics. By the time this airs, I know the Olympics would have been long gone, but you know, I'm recording this in August of 2016 when the Olympics were obviously going on. 5.2 kilometers. Go ahead and get over though. Look at that view. Quebec, y'all. Smells like Mexico. A little bit of fire. Not that Mexico's on fire, but they still use fire to cook a lot. You know, barbecue type thing. Wow. Oh, it's that car. The car is on fire. The mountains, the ocean over there, wow. This road is scary as all get out, but look how beautiful this is. And is that Old Town over there? Ooh, I'm close, right? Right? Here I am, Quebec. I know you can't see it from here, but there's a glorious view just over there. Let me get checked in and I will be going and seeing that one. Alright, let me go see about a hotel room. Skies are looking a little cloudy. Might have to cover up Shady tonight. Find some way into town. We are in French Canadian country here, folks.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually,